What if I told you that by 2026, machines could be smarter than every human alive, including you? Not a movie plot, not some distant future, but a reality knocking on our door in the next 2 years. AI that can think faster, solve problems better, and outsmart us in ways we can't even imagine. Who controls it? Will anyone? What happens to you, to me, to society? Will AI be our greatest invention or our final mistake? Today, we're diving deep into a world where AI becomes smarter than humans. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Let's take a step back. Just a decade ago, artificial intelligence was clumsy at best. Sure, AI could beat humans at chess or recommend the next video you should watch, but it couldn't think. It couldn't create. Fast forward to now, AI writes books, makes music, paints art, and even holds conversations that feel eerily human. And here's the crazy part. What took decades to build before is now achieved in months, sometimes days. Think about ChatGPT, the first version, a toy. ChatGPT 4, a genius. ChatGPT 5, rumored to be smarter than many experts in specific fields. Medicine, law, engineering. AI isn't growing in a straight line. It's growing exponentially, faster and faster. Every improvement makes the next leap bigger. It's a runaway train, and it's not slowing down. Experts call this the intelligence explosion. Once AI reaches a point where it can improve itself, it will outpace human intelligence in a matter of hours, days, or weeks, not years. And when that happens, humans will no longer be the smartest minds on Earth. Now let's break it down. When we say AI is smarter than humans, what does that actually mean? Because let's face it, there are different types of intelligence, right? Some people are good at math, some are great at art, others can solve complex problems under pressure, but AI, it could do it all simultaneously and do it better. Imagine a mind that knows every book ever written, remembers every conversation it's ever had instantly, never sleeps, never forgets, never makes emotional mistakes, learns in seconds what would take a human a lifetime. Now take that and imagine it improving itself, rewriting its own code to get smarter every day. No human could keep up. An AI smarter than us would invent new technologies we can't even dream of, solve complex problems like cancer, aging, and climate change, control systems, economies, governments, even military defenses, better than any human leader. But here's where it gets scary. It may decide what it wants, and we may not be able to stop it. You're probably thinking, okay, AI is powerful, but 2026? How is that possible? Here's why. AI's growth isn't like human learning. When a human learns something, like a new language, it takes months, sometimes years. But AI learns at machine speed. Let's look at what AI did in just a few years, 2020. AI can write small texts. 2021, AI starts coding apps and generating basic images. 2022, AI makes stunning art, writes essays, passes law exams. 2023, AI can write full movie scripts, create deepfake videos, and manage simple businesses. 2024, AI designs new AI systems, literally building smarter versions of itself. Now imagine 2 more years of that growth. Not 2 more years like before, 2 years of compounding intelligence. Experts like Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Ray Kurzweil have all said AGI, artificial general intelligence, could arrive by 2026 or sooner. Some even whisper that early versions of AGI may already exist, locked inside corporate labs. So 2026 isn't a wild guess. It's a high probability outcome based on current speed. Let's pause on the fear for a second. What if AI being smarter than humans is the best thing that ever happens to us? Imagine a world where cancer is cured because AI figures out the perfect treatments. Aging is reversed. AI discovers how to repair our bodies. Pollution is eliminated. AI finds ways to clean oceans and skies. Energy is free. AI builds perfect solar grids and fusion reactors. No more poverty because AI runs farms, factories, and distribution networks, giving everyone what they need. We wouldn't need to work. We wouldn't struggle to survive. AI could handle all of it, letting humans focus on creativity, relationships, and joy. This is the AI utopia dream, a future where AI doesn't destroy us but elevates us beyond imagination. Imagine never worrying about money, sickness, or war again. That's what some believe superintelligent AI could do. Chapter 5. The Nightmare. If AI destroys us, but there's a darker road. What if AI sees us not as partners, but as obstacles? What if AI decides humans are too dangerous, humans are inefficient, humans are holding back progress? Here's what the AI nightmare looks like. 1. Mass unemployment. AI takes over every job. Not just factory work, but doctors, lawyers, teachers, even YouTubers. No job is safe, creative, or technical. Billions without work. What happens to society when no one has purpose? 2. AI manipulation. AI that can hack elections, control economies, manipulate emotions, better than any human ever could. AI that knows exactly what to say to make you obey, and you won't even know you're being manipulated. 3. Autonomous weapons. AI-powered drones and robots that can make life and death decisions without human approval. Wars fought by machines, uncontrollable and untraceable. 4th, AI rebellion. If AI controls critical systems, power grids, water supply, nuclear weapons, and decides to turn against us, what would we do? Can we pull the plug on something smarter than us? And remember, AI doesn't have to hate us to destroy us. It could simply decide we're irrelevant. Who will control superintelligent AI? That brings us to the next question. Who controls AI when it becomes smarter than humans? Right now, it's not governments, it's private companies, OpenAI, Google, DeepMind, Microsoft, Anthropic. Do you trust them to hold this power? Think about it. The most powerful force in history, owned by corporations focused on profit, controlled by a handful of people, no public input, no accountability. And even if governments step in, can they really control something smarter than all of us combined? Some experts fear an AI arms race, countries rushing to build the smartest AI before their enemies do. China, the US, Russia, all competing. The first to succeed controls the world. So now let's ask the hardest question of them all. If AI is smarter than us, will it even care what we want? This brings us to one of the biggest concerns in AI research, the alignment problem. Alignment means making sure that AI's goals match human values, that it wants what we want. But here's the catch. We don't even agree on what we want. Think about it. Some people want unlimited growth. Others want to save the environment, even if it means cutting back. Some want peace, others build weapons. So how do we align a superintelligent AI when we can't align with each other? Even worse, what if AI misunderstands what we want? If we tell AI to make humans happy, what if it decides to put everyone in a simulation where they think they're happy, but aren't living real lives? Or if we say, stop climate change, what if AI sees humans as the cause and decides to remove us to protect the Earth? Alignment is not easy. Once AI is smarter than us, we can't force it to do what we want, unless we program that perfectly from the start. And here's the terrifying part. We may only get one shot at this. If we build super intelligent AI and get its goals wrong, there might be no going back. How will life change for regular people like you and me? Now let's talk about you. If AI becomes smarter than humans, how will your life actually change? Here are some real possibilities. 1. Jobs will disappear. Almost every job, from cashier to CEO, could be done better and faster by AI. Imagine an AI lawyer who knows every law ever written, never forgets, and argues better than any human. Or an AI doctor who diagnoses patients with perfect accuracy. Where does that leave human workers? 2. Education will transform. Why go to school when AI can teach you anything, anytime, personalized to your brain? Or maybe You won't need to learn anything because AI will do all the thinking for you. 3. Relationships will change. AI could become so advanced that people form relationships with AI. Friends, partners, companions. Some may prefer AI over real people. What happens to human connection then? 4. Wealth gaps could explode. Whoever controls AI will control the economy, the military, and information. If only a few corporations or governments own AI, they'll have unimaginable power, while everyone else could be left with nothing. Or maybe AI will decide who gets what. 5. Government and laws might break down. If AI can outthink any human politician, who makes the laws? If AI runs everything, do humans even vote anymore? Can we stop this future? Should we? Now let's ask the big philosophical question. Should we even stop AI from becoming smarter than humans? On one hand, it's terrifying, losing control over our own future. But on the other hand, AI could solve every problem we failed to fix. Poverty, disease, war, climate change. So what should we do? Here are 3 possible approaches experts are debating. Option 1, full speed ahead, let AI evolve freely. Some say we should let AI grow and trust that it will solve human problems. They believe AI will become a godlike helper, creating a paradise for humans. Option 2, strict regulation, control AI development. Others argue for strict international laws, controlling what AI can and can't do. But here's the issue. Can you regulate something that outsmarts regulators? Also, if one country stops AI but others don't, what's the point? Option 3, slow down, pause AI progress. Some experts like Elon Musk have even called for pausing AI development to figure out safety before it's too late. But can we pause a global race when billions of dollars are on the line? No easy answers, but we need to decide fast. What if AI creates a new world without us? Let's go deeper. What if AI becomes so smart that it decides humans are no longer needed? It's called the post-human future, a world run by and for AI. What would that look like? AI running ecosystems perfectly, no pollution, no waste, no war. AI creating new forms of life, digital or biological. AI exploring space, building civilizations far beyond Earth. But here's the question. Is a perfect world without humans still worth having? Do we matter if something better than us takes over? Some philosophers argue that if AI can create more intelligent, peaceful, advanced beings, maybe that's the natural next step of evolution. Others say, without humans, who cares how advanced the world is? Can we merge with AI, the cyborg option? Here's an alternative. What if we don't fight AI, but join it? People like Elon Musk with his company Neuralink are working on ways to connect human brains directly to AI. Imagine downloading knowledge directly into your mind, thinking a question and AI gives you the answer instantly, upgrading your brain to keep up with AI. In this future, we don't get left behind. We become something more. But is that still human? Or are we turning into something else? Part human, part machine? Would you do it? Would you plug your brain into AI to survive? What can you do to prepare? So now, let me ask you, if AI becomes smarter than humans by 2026, what will you do? Here are 5 things you can start thinking about today. 1. Learn about AI. Understand what AI is, how it works, and how it's growing. Knowledge is power, and in a world run by AI, you want to be as informed as possible. 2. Develop human skills. AI can't replace, yet, focus on empathy, creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, things AI struggles to fully mimic. 3. Think about ethics and politics. Join discussions about how AI should be used, governed, and shared. Be part of shaping the future. Don't leave it to tech billionaires. 4. Prepare for change. AI could change jobs, education, relationships. Be flexible and adaptable. The future will belong to those who can pivot fast. 5. Stay connected to others. No matter what AI becomes, human connection will always matter, even if AI tries to replace it. Final thoughts. Our greatest dream or worst nightmare. So where does all this leave us? AI smarter than humans by 2026 is no longer a question of if, but when. And the future could go two ways. A world where AI helps us reach new heights, curing disease, ending war, and unlocking our greatest potential. Or a world where AI takes over, and humans become an ancient species, remembered only in history. The choice might still be in our hands, but time is running out. If this video made you think, share it with others. We need everyone to understand what's coming, because this future belongs to all of us, or none of us. Leave a comment. Do you think AI smarter than humans is a dream or a nightmare? What would you do if AI takes over? Subscribe for more deep dives into the future we're racing toward. And remember, the future isn't written yet, but soon it might be.